Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Ora Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install, choose an account where you want to install the app. Click on Continue and click on Allow and Install. The custom menu link, head back to the account, click on Settings, custom menu links under settings, click on it. Head over to create new and click on it. You insert an icon, give a title and paste the link right over here. You choose a sidebar preference, you select an account, you give a role-based visibility and you click on save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account and click on the custom menu link. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up with all its available applications. Search for the app and you click on connect. Then you're going to have the second interface with all its necessary features such as documentation and everything you need to begin your journey. We have the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up, no worry, let's walk you through. Copy the redirect URL, head to the account which we've created online, click on your profile, click on account preference, click on the preference itself, head down to create an app, and you create an app. You give an icon and you give a short description. Then you paste the redirect URL right over here, toggle on the terms and conditions, and you click on create. Once you're done creating your click on the edit icon and you have your client ID right over here. Copy the client ID, head to your account, click on start setup and you paste. Copy the client secret, head to your account and you paste. Then click on complete setup. This pop-up page right over here, click on allow to grant permissions. Successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video call with our support team. And the change log feature where you can track all the new updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.